Hello, my beautiful blossoms. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your sanctuary of serenity and growth. Before we dive into today's story, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together, nurturing our roots of wisdom and love, and bloom into a more mindful existence. Today, I want to share with you a story that's close to my heart. It's a tale of family, love, and the beauty of nature, all captured in a series of floral snapshots. I call it Mum Moments. Our story begins in a quaint little town nestled amidst rolling hills and lush green meadows. Here, in a charming cottage with a garden that was a riot of colors, lived a young mother named Rose. Rose was a florist, and her world revolved around her two loves, her little daughter Lily and her garden filled with beautiful flowers. Every day, Rose would capture moments with Lily amidst the blooms, each snapshot a testament to their bond and the passing seasons. The vibrant tulips mirrored their joyous spring picnics, the sunflowers stood tall, echoing their summer laughter, the chrysanthemums mirrored the cozy autumn evenings spent reading under the marigold tree, and the holly represented the warmth of their winter cuddles. These floral snapshots were more than just pictures. They were a testament to the love between a mother and her child, a love as enduring and beautiful as the flowers that framed their moments. Each bloom in the garden was a symbol of their journey, their growth, and their shared moments of joy, sorrow, and triumph. As Lily grew older, she began to understand the language of flowers, the silent stories they told. She saw her mother's love in every petal, every leaf, every bud, and she began to capture her own moments, her own stories in the heart of the blooms. And so the garden grew, as did Lily and Rose, their lives intertwined with the flowers that bloomed around them. Their story, their mom moments, were captured in these floral snapshots, a testament to their love, their bond, and the beauty of life. My dear blossoms, just like Rose and Lily, let's capture our own mum moments, our own stories in the heart of nature. Let's allow the beauty of flowers to inspire us, to heal us, and to connect us. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. Remember, every petal tells a story, and every bloom inspires. Until next time, keep blooming and keep inspiring.